All right, so now I have on number 6, okay, I have A, the coordinates of A. So I'm meeting these coordinates right there. So we're going to label that x1, y1. Okay. Then I have M of -1 and 2. That's my M. My B is 3. Oops, sorry. 3 and -5. Okay. So my endpoints are 3 and -5. And this is x2 and y2. All right. I still use the same formula. Okay. It's just going to be changed a little bit to where I take y2 plus, do I know what y1 is yet? No. Okay. So I'm going to make that y1 over 2. What is the y portion of my midpoint? What is the y portion of my midpoint? Here's my midpoint. What's the y? 2. So we set all that equal to 2. Now we're going to do the same thing with x. I have 3 plus, I don't know, of x1 divided by 2. What's the y portion? -1. Okay? -1. So I multiply both sides by 2. -5 plus y1 equals 4 because I'm multiplying both sides by 2. Both sides by 2. Then I add 5. The y portion of this is 9. Okay, on this one, I multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. 3 plus x1 is -2. Add 3. X is 1. So my endpoints here are 1 and 9. Oops, I did something wrong. Where did I mess up? 3 plus x1, we don't know. Oh, I'm sorry. When I subtracted 3, what's -2 minus 3? -2 minus 3. -5. That was my bad. Okay. I apologize. All right. So that's going to be -5. Okay. I'll try not to do too many more mess ups there. Okay. Now look at question 7. Again, draw out a line if you need to. Okay. Find the coordinates of J if K is the midpoint. So K is here, J is here. The K value is -5 and 10. Okay. The L value is -8 and 6. All right. So I have x2 plus x1 over 2 equals, and that's going to be -5. y2. Okay, let's go ahead and plug in x2 since we know it. x2, y2. All right, so x2 is -8. So let's go ahead and plug in -8 since we can do that. Okay, so I have -8. All right, and then I have 6 plus y1, because that's what we're looking for, divided by 2 equals 10. Now to solve for this, I have to multiply both sides by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. -8 plus x1 equals -10. Add 8. X is equal to -2. Everybody good? Okay. So the endpoint, I know that x is -2. Now I got to find the y. Multiply both sides by 2. Multiply by 2. 6 plus y1 equals 20. Subtract 6. Subtract 6. Y is 14. So that's my endpoint. -2 and 14. Okay? Now, I want Miss Gass to pause the video. Okay, Miss Gass is going to pause the video. And I want you guys to try number 10 on the homework, okay? So, number 10 in the homework. I have R, S, and T. R, S, and T. Okay? R, negative 9 and 4. Okay? Negative 9 and 4. S is the midpoint. 2 and negative 1. And I got to find T, which is going to be x2 and y2. Okay? I still solve it the same way. Okay? So this is going to be x1, y1. So that's going to be negative 9 plus x2, I don't know what that is, divided by 2 equals 2. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2, negative 9 plus x2 equals 4. Add 9 to both sides, x2 is 13. Okay? So that's going to be 13 is the endpoint down here. All right, now if I try y2, all right, that's going to be 4 plus y2 over 2 equals the y value at negative 1. Okay, going to multiply both sides by 2, multiply by 2, 4 plus y2 equals negative 2, subtract 4, y2 is negative 6, so my end value is negative 6. Any questions?
No.
Okay, okay, clear.